Okay, so in the back of the van, this is where my EcoFlow stuff lives. Whether it be the solar panels, the Delta 2, the Wave 2, or the EcoFlow alternator charger. Now, they live there so we can just plug them in while we're driving, and this will charge in about an hour and 15 hour and 20 minutes. So that's pretty good. This about the same. So 2.5 hours of driving, both of those are basically charged up. But it was Prime Day a couple days ago, and I decided to get something else. So this is the EcoFlow Delta 2 Smart Extra battery. It is 1024 watt hours, just like the Delta 2. So now we've got 48 watt hours of power between the two of them. So my Delta 2 is already fully charged. So now I want to charge the extra battery. Now the weird thing about the extra battery is you can't charge it on its own. It has got to be plugged into your Delta 2. So I'm going to charge it from shore power. So let's see how this goes. In the extra battery pack itself, whereas you can't open it on the regular, this one opens up. The inside is the actual cable that connects both of them together, and you got a little storage space right there. Pretty cool. Okay, so on the Delta 2 and the extra battery pack, this is the extra battery port. Just undo those. The cable itself is about, we'll say 3 feet, and really can't go wrong with it. It only goes one way. I'm sure I'll get it wrong though. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, so both of those are now hooked up. Show you the percentage on them. She is on 100%. She is on 30%. It's already charging. It's already pulling 130 from this. So I'm going to plug it into shore power and we'll speed this up. Okay, it's now on shore power. Input 1183. Output 1008. And on this one it's pulling in 1007 watts. So that's pretty good. Pretty noisy though. Okay, so that's pretty much the setup right there. Now, why did I buy that extra battery? Well, a couple of weeks ago we went out and we ran the AC on its battery and on the Delta 2, and we probably got about, we'll say, 9 hours of AC, which was okay. But we turned it on at like 3 p.m. and we were in bed, and it turned off about 12 o'clock at night. But it was still, it was hot, let's put it that way. Once the AC turned off and it was 85 degrees outside, the van got pretty hot again. So by having that extra battery pack, hopefully now we can run it for more than 12 hours. And that way, when we're traveling, as we're driving, we charge the batteries, charge the Delta 2, the Wave 2, and have comfortable nights while we're out and about. So a new AC unit for the roof was going to cost about $2,500. Well, I've already got that AC and I've already got the Delta 2, so that made more sense at $400 than getting an AC for the roof, because we like our fan up there, and taking away that and putting AC up there just didn't make any sense to me. So that was the main reason why I got this battery pack instead. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the battery itself is 1024 watt hours, and it is being charged at 1009 watts. So this will be charged in less than an hour, 51 minutes by the looks of it. Yeah, so that is pretty good. And the bottom one's 100% charged, so I'm really happy. Okay, this piece of kit, the EcoFlow alternator charger, has been a game changer for us. I mean, it is amazing. I mean, literally in 1 hour, this was fully charged after the last trip. So we stop every couple hours when we're driving anyway, so we can switch it over and start charging that after the first stop. So yeah, really good piece of kit. Highly recommend that if you have EcoFlow products. Okay, so the Wave 2 air conditioning unit that we got in eco mode roughly draws 210 watts per hour in eco mode, and about 400 plus when it's on high. So with the 2 battery packs, that should give us about 9.5 hours of AC. That's without running the 1300 watt hour battery pack, which is on the air conditioning unit itself. So we're gonna have well over 12 hours. So I am extremely happy with this experiment we got going on, and it's way cheaper, like I said, than getting an AC unit for that hole up there in the roof. So really happy with this, and I'll catch you on the flip side. See ya. Okay, so doing the math, I have 3,207 watt hours of power between this battery, that battery, and the battery on the Wave 2 AC. And like I said, in eco mode, that should probably get us 14-15 hours worth of cooling power, and possibly heating power in the wintertime. Happy with this product so far. Okay, my good luck charm is here. Look at the suntan in this boy. And the piece behind the battery is at 100%, and it took 45 minutes, buddy.
Nice.
Pretty quick, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, I love you.
I love you.
You like being in the videos?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try and get you in more, okay?
Okay.
Say see you guys.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, as you can see, it is at 100%. She's at 100%. That took roughly 45 minutes. Happy with how this all turned out. EcoFlow. Yep. Good piece of kit.
Good morning.
Yep, we got up at 3:50 this morning, because today's the day Hope gets her knee surgery.
Left knee, not the good knee.
Seen about
Going to 350 Mormon Church Road, Seneca, South Carolina.
I don't know how she does it. Every time Hope talks, that damn Tom or whatever it is decides to
Send us different places,
Yeah.
not even where we're going.
But like we were saying, we got up this morning at 3:50. We're in Wilmington right now, outside of the surgical center. On the way here, probably missed 100 deer. So hopefully in a couple hours, we'll come back on this thing and tell you Hope's all good.
Catch you
Probably
on,
be feeling real good.
yeah. Catch you on the flip side.
Bye.
Out of surgery. I love you.
Hi Grandma, I hope you're doing better and I hope your leg heals really fast so we can go on walks together, and I hope that you don't feel any pain after a bit, because I mean, I bet it might hurt, but I'm here, and text me and call me, and I love you.
Love you, Grandma. I hope you feel better. Love you, Grandma. I hope you feel better.
I love you, Ma. I hope you feel better. Love you.
Hopi, we love ya. Hope your leg feels better really soon. See ya.